Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use the scheduled send feature in the new Outlook. The scheduled send feature in new Outlook and Outlook on the web allows you to easily schedule emails to deliver later. Unlike the classic desktop version, these messages are processed directly on the Microsoft Cloud server, meaning the emails will be sent at your chosen time even if your computer is turned off. To schedule an email, you will have to open Outlook, click on New Email. Once you have compose your email, add the subject, and you can also send the recipient. You will have to locate the send button and click on the drop down and select schedule send. Choose one of the suggested time, example tomorrow morning, or select custom time to pick the exact date and time. So for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to choose 18th here, and you can choose the time from the drop down and then click on send. This message will be moved to the draft folder until the scheduled delivery. In case if you want to cancel the scheduled email, if you need to make changes or send email immediately, you will have to navigate to the drafts folder. Open the scheduled message. You can make necessary edits by clicking on the cancel send, and then you can send this email immediately. In case if you want to schedule it for some other time, you can locate the send button. From the drop down, you can choose scheduled send and choose a different date and time based on your preferences, and then click on send, and this email will be saved in the drafts folder. This email will not be sent until your scheduled delivery. So this is how you can go ahead and use the scheduled send feature or delayed delivery message in your Outlook. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.